Working with the body and mind together is really impactful because when we do get at those unconscious memories, we're getting at what's causing deep-rooted patterns in your life. So there's habits, patterns, things that you always do that you can't seem to get unstuck from. Maybe there's emotions that you always have, like you always feel a little bit low or you always feel a little bit angry and you just don't know how to change it, even though you've worked with your thoughts and you've done some CBT and you've done some motivational target setting, but you're like, why can't I shake this? And it's because a lot of it's unconscious. So this work really helps to get underneath into those deep wounds that you maybe had from when you were a child, or just traumas or events that are just really in your unconscious. And if we can tap into those, we can really break some long-standing habits. So I do have some training in what's called mindfulness somatic therapy, which is a trauma-informed practice. And this therapy is all about working with the body and mind together. So it's the idea that the mind impacts the body and the body impacts the mind, and they're sort of seen as one entity. And so we're sort of looking at using tools that kind of unlock unconscious memories, triggers, traumas that are kind of held in the body. 95% of your brain is unconscious. So you're working with really just like 5% of your thoughts that are conscious. So it's really important to just know that, like, neuroscience is showing that we hold so much information in our bodies. And so if we can, in therapy, just kind of tap into all of those memories in the body, that can be really helpful. The tools that we use are really gentle. It's just all about me really attuning to what's going on for you and helping you regulate your nervous system. And when we help regulate the nervous system, it just gives space for those memories and traumas to come up. This doesn't have to be scary at all. And we can, because I'll be attuning to you so much, we might just do it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And you might have just like a feeling or a memory come up because we're just paying attention to the physical sensations in your body. And it might not even be an image that comes into your mind. It just might be a feeling. And there can be just a discharge of energy where you're just feeling like, oh, I just let go of something. Well, it's hard to explain on here, but it's a really, really gentle process. And we don't have to do it for very long either. So all of my clients work differently. Some clients come in and they're like, Renu, I want help regulating my nervous system. Can we do that for a whole hour? Because I'm just really stressed and I don't know what's going on other than I need help. Other people, want to do talk therapy for 45 minutes and they just want just a few minutes of connecting with the body. So everybody works differently, and I really work with what the client wants.